In this video, we're going to talk about two concepts, the mode and the range of a data set. And so the mode is the number or which piece of data in your data set is the most frequent, which means which one occurs most often. The range is simply the highest number minus the lowest number in your data set. So these are actually two very simple concepts, so you don't want to get these wrong on the test. So what does mode mean? So let's say this is our data set. So this is 2, 12, 7, 9, 7, 12, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 12, 4, 7, 2, 7. We're given that data set. What is the mode of that? And so all we need to do is figure out which one of these numbers occurs most often, is the most frequent. So how I like to do these is I just start on the left, and so I say 2. That's one of our numbers in the data set. 2 occurs once, and I cross it out after I've counted it, so I know that I'm going to get all of them. There's 1, 2. So I just say 2, there's 2 of them. Next is 12. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 12s. Next is 7. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7s. So I'm just counting how many there are, how often they occur. Next number is 9. 1, there's just 1. Next number is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next number is 4, and there's only one of them. So which one of these numbers in our data set occurs the most often? Well, we had the 7 occurred 5 times. 5 is the largest number out of all of these. So the mode is 7. What is the range? The range is simply the highest number minus the lowest number in your data set. So our highest number, again, we can just look at the left-hand side. The highest number we had was a 12. And the lowest number we had was the 2. So the range is 10. Mode is 7, range is 10. We'll do one more example. Let's say we have a data set of 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 3. What's the mode? Well, we start with 5. We just start on the left. There's 1, 2 5s. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3. 6. There's only one of them. 4. There's only one of them. So I'm putting equal signs here, but obviously it just means equals how many times they occur. So what is their mode? Well, the one that occurs the most is the 3. So the mode is 3. What is the range? Well, our highest number is the 6, and our lowest number was 3. So the range is 3. So when you're looking for the mode, you're looking how frequent they are, and that was on this side. So this is how many times it occurred. So the 3 occurred 3 times. When you're looking at the range, you want to look at your actual data set on the left-hand side. Which number is the largest? Was the 6? Which number was the lowest? It was the 3. And then just subtract them. I'm going to take a pause and put up a different type of a question. Okay, so I've put up a different type of a question that I don't want you to get thrown off. If they put a word question out there, it still has the same meaning. So here they're going to say Hank has 3 cousins from Ohio, 2 cousins from Minnesota, 4 cousins from Iowa, and 3 cousins from Nebraska. Which state is the mode for the number of cousins that he has in each state? So even though this is words and the mode is not going to be a number, it's still the same concept. Which one is the most frequent? So we just think about what are they asking. So he has 3 cousins from Ohio. So they're asking for the state, 2 cousins from Minnesota, 4 cousins from Iowa, and 3 cousins from Nebraska. So the mode is the one that occurs the most, which is Iowa. So the answer to this question would be Iowa. So don't get thrown off if they somehow throw a word problem in instead of giving you a straight data set like we did in the previous 2 examples.